in the lanes. We passed tech. They gave us a 9.99 breakout because we don't have a welded in cage. We have a bolt-in back half. So that kind of sucks, but we're gonna go for qualifying here shortly. I don't know if it's round 1 or round 2. They're running qualifying for all the classes during a long line of tech. So hopefully we all get a chance to do our first round. Current number 1 qualifier for Forced Induction Sport is a 10.3 at 137. So that's what we're looking to beat, to be number 1. As if we get somewhere in the top half of the field, I'll be happy with that. These are our 2 qualifying runs, and now we're going into first round eliminations. Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm eating stuff in my face with some street tacos from the barbecue place down here in the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We are on to round 2. I feel bad the way I did it, but I did tell him I was going to do it. So we got the Rampage GTR, Rampage Nevada GTR. I'm Lauren. They recently sponsored us. If this is your first time being here at the channel, please give us a follow. We're going to try and come out to more events like this. But we're currently at IFO, Las Vegas Motor Speedway, December 12th. And man, it has been amazing. Here's some clips from the day. But on back to my story about drag racing. They paired 2 of us GTRs, the 2 GTRs in the Forced Induction Sport class together. First round out. And I don't know why, because he was the -- 1 qualifier with a 9.6 and I qualified with a 10.3, and there's a few other cars that qualified with like an 11, and there was one car that qualified with a 12, but the 2 GTRs got put together And I told him, because he's my friend, I said, I'm gonna go in first. If I have to, I will double bulb you, but I need to be able to get on launch control because it's a pro tree. Now, with a pro tree, there's no wait from the time that both people stage and it turns yellow, then green. Like it's 0.5 of a second and you're on your way, right? So I told him I'm gonna stage first so I can be on launch control and you can't. And that's exactly what I did. I do feel bad because he's a friend, but at the same time, I knew what I had to do to win the race. So I don't know who I'm gonna compete with going forward. We added a little bit more to the launch. So if we spin a little, that's fine. But hopefully we can get a little bit better of a 60 foot. We did a 1.6. This weekend's current best has been a 1.4. So we're going to work that out, and I will show you guys the next race. Here we go. So I ended up getting knocked out by a Honda in the second round, going 152 miles an hour on the big end, but it was the closest race I've ever had, losing by only 0.08 of a second. I'm sure in the future we'll have more, but it was definitely a fun experience, and here are some more races from the event. Okay, gotcha. Power up, let's go. Oh, she's doing a burnout. Ah, shit. Come on. Oh. They need this brake on. Pumps on. So I thought that green car in all motor was that car. I thought that was my class. This is my class. Oh, this is the number one qualifier with the 879. I thought it was the 96. I literally, this is the car that just won Forced Induction Sport by breaking the beams. Got 2 competition buys and beat me by 0.08 of a second. I'm kind of upset. But that's clutch. He gonna get paid. What happened? Did he break? I didn't see the glass. Not to be like that, where you can run on it for a few years. That's Billet block shit. Like that, Dad? Brass knuckle catfish?
Like we didn't get him like off of him. Like let's go. Like we're trying to see him as number one.
Dad.